I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'll be using my Fender American Strat. I'm going to be doing an instrumental of a song out of the public domain. It's an old spiritual song. It was around before I was born, and that's been a while. And it came to me, and it comes to me every so often. It makes me realize just how awesome the Lord God is. The song is called "Somebody Bigger Than You and I." The verse that sticks in my mind is it goes, "Who made the mountains? Who made the trees? Who made the rivers to flow out to the sea? And who made the rain when the earth was dry? Somebody bigger than you and I." And every so often I think about that, and it does something to me to know that the Lord, that awesome, loves me as well as y'all. So let's try it. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's gonna be done in the key of E, and y'all get your instruments and play along with me. Now, I thank everybody that has already subscribed to my channel, and everybody that hasn't, please do. It'll help me out a lot. Subscribe, like, and share the video if you would. But let's see what it does. Well, there y'all have it. Y'all let me know what you think. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also share the video. Till the next time, y'all be blessed.